You're watching NDTV Swirlster, and the product I'm reviewing today is the Kuvarba fashion sari. So let's get started.
Alright, so let's begin with this. This is the Kuvarba fashion sari. It's a gorgeous pink color. As you can see, it's really bright, and I am sure this is going to look fabulous on every skin tone, because I mean, this color is meant for the Indian skin tone. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I know you can't really see this, I'm sure you can't, but I must mention here that this is in fact a dual tone fabric. It has like two shades of pink on this fabric, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The entire sari has these embroidered motifs on it. It's not too full of it, which is great, because it's a very graceful yet a very simple, however still a very festive sari that can be worn literally for any occasion, I promise. The embroidery of this sari is in a gold thread work with a little blue peacock motif in the middle, and genuinely guys, I was not really expecting this sari to look and feel as premium as it does, especially at its value. It definitely adds a lot of grace, and you know, it's definitely worthy enough for what it is. The fabric is very lightweight. It's genuinely really lightweight. It's not pure silk, it's a blend, but it does look like silk from far away. So anyway, that's a win-win, I guess, in some way, right? The embroidery, I must come to now, it is very neat. Again, I was not expecting it to look as neat as it does in person, but it genuinely does look very neat. Sari, this is in fact the bottom of the sari. You have like the embroidered motif spaced out, you know, towards the end of the sari, and actually have like these slightly more clustered on the pallu. Right here you can see that it's a lot more closer to each other on the pallu. Again, very lightweight, can be carried out literally any time of the year. And the one thing that I really like about this sari is the attention to detail that they've given. The pallu, they have actually you know, made sure that they are knotted, and because of that they have given these tassel detailing, which makes the sari look very neat when it arrives to the customer. Worth it definitely for the fact that it is a beautiful color, lightweight, and a lot of attention to detail. For what it's worth, I think the price is also very good. In fact, it's fantastic, if I may say the least. This sari actually comes with a matching blouse piece. It is in a contrasting color, but it has the same embroidered motif as it does on the sari. The color in fact is a lovely midnight blue that complements the little blue peacock motif on the embroidered motif in the entirety of the sari. However, the only thing that one needs to make sure is that this blouse piece is sheer. It is a raw silk sort of a consistency. However, the fabric is sheer and it does not come with a lining, so that's something additional that you will need to look into yourself when you're getting it stitched. But what I really like about this sari is that there is so much room to experimentation with it. You can totally wear this sari with a gold blouse that complements you know, the embroidered motif on the sari, or you could even go for like a violet or a dark deep purple color that, you know, complements the blue purple motif, the peacock motif on the embroidered sari as well. And if not, you can even also definitely get this particular color done, or if you want to go a little over and beyond, you could get an emerald green as well. So there's a lot to experiment with. So yeah, definitely one that I would totally go for myself if I had to. And my final verdict for this sari is that it is worth every penny. I really was not expecting this sari to look and feel as premium as it does, and I'm glad that I did have the opportunity to get my hands on this, because I feel like even if you are wearing this for a festive occasion, or if you are in fact gifting it to somebody also, this one is a fab buy, you know, seriously. Totally worth your time and money for sure. And my final verdict would be that this one's a definite win from my side. But well, that's all that I have this time. I'll see you again.